CPA Matt Bryant is back with us once again this morning. Matt, as always, good to see you.
Nice to be here.
April, as it turns out, is National Financial Literacy Month. When we say financial literacy, how do we define it?
Financial literacy is the knowledge that is required to make sound financial decisions. Poor financial decisions can lead to years of heartache.
Yeah, and we've talked about that quite a bit in this segment. Let's start with some of the things that you should know to make financially responsible decisions. Where do we begin?
A great first step is to have a budget. You can track what you make each month and what you spend each month. If you are spending more than you make, knowing where you're spending money can help you decide where to cut back.
All right, let's get into some of the spending components of financial literacy. What about credit card use here?
Credit cards can be a good tool if you're able to pay off the bill every month. They may offer rewards and be a convenient way to make transactions. But if you're not able to pay off that bill in full, the interest rates can be pretty high, leaving a lot of interest repaid over the course of time.
Right, and that interest, it just compounds month after month after month, right?
Correct.
All right, so let's try not to carry credit card debt, financial literacy 101 here, so to speak. If we are making more than we spend, let's get into some best practices here.
Emergency reserve is a great idea. If you can save up 3 to 6 months of your monthly wages, it can help you in case of a job loss or a major item like a car repair or a medical bill.
Sure, build up that emergency fund. What about saving for retirement? Another good idea here, right?
It is. Your employer may offer a 401k or an IRA plan. They may also give a matching contribution on your donations. Likewise, if you have no options at work, you could go for an individual retirement account known as an IRA.
Right, an IRA. Why is it important to get started early?
Well, as you noted with credit card interest on money you save also compounds. If you save at 10% a year, the second year you get 10% on that first year's 10%.
Okay.
And so over the course of time, it grows quickly.
Right. The earlier you start, the more it grows. Let's turn back to the notion of debt. In some instances, there can be, I guess, what I would call good debt, if you're using it strategically the right way.
Correct. If you can match debt to future benefit, it can be a good move, such as having a car loan, you're paying back the car loan as you drive it, a mortgage, you're paying out the mortgage, you live in the house. All
right, here's the key question along these lines. How do you know how much debt you can handle?
Well, it goes back to that budget. Once you have that developed, you'll know how much more you're earning a month and spending, which could allow you to have a debt payment. But it's important to still be able to save a little bit.
Okay, saving is so key as part of Financial Literacy Month here. That's what we're talking about. Final thoughts on this subject.
Well, a trusted certified public accountant could be a great resource to help you with your financial literacy goals.
All right, Matt, thank you. Great to see you once again. So there you go. April is Financial Literacy Month, and to that end, a great resource on the State Society of CPA's website, nysscpa.org/getmoneysmart. We'll share that link on our site as well at rochesterfirst.com.